Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday. Outside is hot. We'll show you how many degrees. It's 25. Alright. Hi darling! Working outside. Hi, darling! He couldn't hear me.
Musím si tady dát zarážku,
Yeah.
protože mi to strhávalo.
I must go also outside because I need to cut the grasses. Okay. Yeah. So, I wear glasses to protect my eyes from the sun and also cap.
Mám to vypnout? Jo nebo ne?
Yeah, I'm done on this side. And next, over there, I still need to cut. And also, up there, I will show you guys my ampalaya. It's here. This is my ampalaya. Kaya lang, medyo sunog yung ibang dahon. Kasi nainitan. Nakalimutan kong lagyan ng sunscreen protection. Hindi niya kaya yung init dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Sana mag-survive yan. Tinatamad na ako guys. Hindi ko pa tapos yung mga work ko dito sa garden. Yes. Need to clean. Put some flowers here. There. Yes. Like this. And ang dami ko pang work dito. Yan. Hindi ko matapos-tapos. Tinatamad na ako. Walang tumutulong. Yan o. Hindi ko pa matapos na Mamower. Dyan. Saka dyan. Daming work dito. Hindi pwedeng magrena-renahan dito guys. Kasi wala tayong katulong. Di bali, sanay naman ako sa mahirap. Guys, umulan sa loob. Sa labas.
Daj ešte pekne ukecaná. Už zase prší.
Umulan sa labas pala, hindi sa loob.
Salabaska.
Sa labas. Hindi ko natapos yung trabaho ko doon. Meanwhile, magluluto muna ako ng paniudto.
Pani o to chvíľa.
Lunch. Let's cook lunch. Luto na lunch namin. This is sabaw from Bones. Kala niya for dogs only. Pwede din pala sa tao. Sarap kaya niyan. At saka rice. Hindi mawawala ang pagka-Pinoy. Mahal! Please come over. Latichko, please come over. Let's have lunch. Habang mainit pa ang sabaw. Harap sabaw mainit, mahal ko.
Good.
Tasty.
Tasty.
What do you have on your hands? Is it a drumstick?
Ne, to je Bones.
What is it in Cebuano?
Tambuk baboy Bones.
No, it's not tambuk baboy. It's bo.
It's that?
No.
A co to je?
Bo?
Bukuk.
Very good. That's good.
Baboy
That's
bukuk.
bukog sa baboy.
Bukuk sa baboy.
And it's tasty.
It's tasty.
You thought before it's for dog?
Ne, já jsem nemyslel, že I didn't think that is for dog. It's tasty, this žebra. Babuj, bukuk. Babuj sa bukuk.
You're funny.
Bukuk sa babuj.
Okay, guys.
To je ribs. Ribs bukuk.
I hope you enjoy watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye-bye.